In this episode, we will explore John Guest's push-fit fittings. John Guest's push-fit fittings are useful in many areas: marine and industrial plumbing, air conditioning and heating systems, refrigeration, as well as in specialized applications such as water treatment and compressed air systems. Those fittings have three main components: a fitting, a pipe insert, and an O-ring. They can be quickly assembled without tools, ensuring a practical and secure installation. John Guest's range offers different types of products, suited to the needs and challenges of the marine industry. For fittings, there are simple unions, double unions, T-fittings, elbows, and many others. For tubes, there are mainly two types. The BPEX tubes, similar to multilayer, are favored for central heating systems, and the blue and red polyethylene pipes, preferred for smaller applications, come in two colors for easier identification. Their installation is simple. Cut the tube. Insert the pipe insert inside the tube. Then you can insert the fitting until it clicks into place. Always check the solidity of the connection. You can then remove the fittings by holding the insert close to the fitting and pulling on the ladder to unclip it. John Guest's push-fit fittings greatly facilitate plumbing installation, offering safety and compliance with marine codes. A BPEX fitting or pipe is tested under pressures of up to 44 bars for 1 hour, and withstands 12 bars of pressure for 22 hours at 95 degrees Celsius. Thank you for listening, and join us very soon for a new episode of Discover Together.